Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we apply our custom permission which we created in last video to the SharePoint group using PnP PowerShell. I have 3 groups open of a sales team site, and as we can see, the members group has the edit permission level. Now, if we go back to our previous video, we created a contribute minus delete custom permission level. What we want is we want to remove the edit permission level from the members group, and then we would like to assign our custom permissions to this members group. So let's go ahead and take a look at how can we do this. Flip back to Visual Studio Code, where I have written a line that helps us to connect to sales team site using connect PnP online. Now we will use set PnP group permissions. Now first we will specify the identity which group we would like to work with. So the group name, let's specify this. Now we would like to first remove the edit permission. So we will say remove role, which is edit, and then we will say add role, which is contribute minus delete. Just make sure that you type the name of the role exactly. Okay, so that's it. Let's go ahead and write a message. Custom permission level has been set on the members group. Okay, let's go ahead, execute this. Let's pass on the credentials and let's wait for the response, and I will write host message. And there we have it. Custom permission level has been set on the members group. Let's go back and check the site. Hit refresh and you will see edit is now changed to contribute minus delete. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you use PnP PowerShell to change the permission levels of a specific SharePoint group. I thank you for watching the video.